The theorem: a point is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment if and only if it is equidistant from the endpoints of the line segment. Proof: we want to show that any point on a segment's perpendicular bisector is equidistant from its endpoints. Suppose segment AB is the segment being bisected. So we have segment AB. Line L is the perpendicular bisector of segment AB. Let P be any point on line L. Any point on line L. Point P lies on line L, the perpendicular bisector of AB. We want to prove that segment AP is equal to BP. Okay, consider triangle AMP, and triangle BMP. Since L is the perpendicular bisector of AB, segment AB, then AM is equal to MB. They're equal, congruent. L bisects AB. Now in triangle AMP, and triangle BMP, angle PMA is equal to angle PMB, which is equal to 90 degrees. This angle and this angle are both equal to 90 degrees. L is perpendicular to segment AB. PM is equal to PM, reflexive. PM is common. These two are equal. AM is equal to MB. AM is equal to MB. Since M is the midpoint of AB, thus by the side angle side property, triangle AMP is congruent to triangle BMP. Hence, segment AP, side AP, is congruent, is equal to side BP. By CPC-TC, corresponding part of congruent triangles are congruent. This is true for any P lying on line L. So this is true for any P lying on line L. In summary, we show that the triangles have two equal sides and the angles between those two sides are also equal. Therefore, these triangles are congruent. Therefore, AP is congruent to BP. Now, let's do the opposite. Suppose that AB is a segment and P is a point that is equidistant from AB. So AB is a segment and P is a point that is equidistant, the same distance from AB. Then P lies on the perpendicular bisector of AB. Let M be the midpoint of segment AB of triangle APB. So let this be the midpoint. Construct PM. So we construct PM from triangle PAM, and triangle PBM, we have that PA equals PB. PA is equal to PB, given that AM is equal to MB. M is the midpoint of AB. And PM equals PM, reflexive property. Therefore, by side, the triangles are congruent. This side is equal to this side is equal to the same side, and this side is equal to this side. Therefore, angle PMA is equal to angle PMB. Thus, these angles form a linear pair. They form a linear pair. Therefore, angle PMA and angle PMB are equal to 90 degrees, which means that PM is perpendicular to AB. But M is the midpoint of AB, hence PM is the perpendicular bisector.